Hey guys, welcome into the Ready Response channel. My name is Mike. I'm the founder and CEO here at Ready Response. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below just to make sure you can follow us on our journey to strengthen the chain of survival through our engaging educational content. We'll see you on the other side. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Mike here, founder and CEO at Ready Response. And if you're watching this video, it's probably because you went to Google and you typed in, how do I buy an AED? Maybe you got tasked at work to purchase an AED for your office, for your church, for your building, whatever the case is. So you came to the right spot. Super easy to do this for us today. All you got to do is go to our website, click on the products page. We have a couple videos also on our YouTube channel that will walk you through specifics on AEDs because you want to make sure you're pairing yourself and buying the appropriate AED for your setting. So we have a whole video on that. It's about 6 minutes long. I'll link that in the description below. So if you come to our products page, you'll see all the AEDs that we sell. You can see the price, the details of them. There's a comparison chart so you can kind of navigate through. But I think the most important thing you probably want to do is give me a call directly. 877-309-2022. And I think what you'll find by hitting extension 3 when you connect with me is that there's a lot of stuff that goes into this that you need to kind of be coached through to make sure you're making the right purchase and the correct investment for your office, your church, your building, right? So there's a lot of things that go into AEDs. You don't want to just go to the internet and buy the very first thing you see. You never quite know, number one, if they even have them in stock. You might get shipping delayed and you may not get that AED for the next 3 or 4 months. So that's number one. Number two, you want to make sure you pair yourself and you purchase the appropriate AED for your setting. So we will coach you through that. We will consult you with that. And we will ship that unit directly to you, typically within 2-3 days of purchase. So happy to support as you're on a mission here to try to find an AED for your office, for your setting. You're unsure where to go. Let us help you with it. Let's keep this as simple as possible. We'll get that unit shipped right to you. So there's a link in the description below. Click there. Happy to answer any questions you have. Give us a call. Shoot us an email. Somebody was actually just calling me during this video, probably for the same thing. So we're happy to help you guys out with that. All right? Looking forward to connecting soon.